Hey, this is CopperCarver, and today we are doing the unboxing of the Lumary Smart Wall Sconces. So that's actually take two. I called them scones at first. This is actually a brand new product from Lumary, and actually a brand new type of product for me. I know I love Lumary, but my favorite at the moment is still Govee, and Govee has their own smart wall sconces, but I haven't tried theirs yet. So I'm really excited to try these and see how they look. This is 9.2 feet. And 7 lights. So let's go ahead and open this, if I can get it. All right, let there be smart. Let there be smart. I mean, light would have worked. It's a light company. All right, so first thing is we have a manual right here. First box, let's see what we got. In this first box, I think we actually have the lights. Before we dig into that, let's actually see what's in here. I imagine in here we got the plug. Okay, so something that I do love about Lumary is that it always comes with a remote. Now I'm gonna have to start identifying these remotes because they all look the same. I'm gonna have to put color markers on these or a name, but here is the remote. So basic set of controls on there. And then we have the plug right here. So yeah. And then right here, okay, we have the nails and the anchors, but it only looks like 2 adhesive pads. Maybe there's actually some on the lights. Let's open this up and actually look at the lights real quick. Yeah, there are adhesives on these. So neat little package here. Let's open this up and take a look. They're wrapped up pretty nice. They are slick and white. Ooh, look like little marbles in there for shining up and down. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They shine up and shine down. I'm gonna let y'all take a closer look at these. Okay, and looking at these, you can actually turn these in different ways. I really like the image that's on the box, which I'll have pop up now with how these look. What's really cool about these is the way you can make the lights intersect. They look cool. Let's do the challenging part, and y'all are gonna watch me. I mean, it shouldn't be challenging. What's more challenging is knowing where I'm gonna put these. But yeah, let's go ahead and try to set these up. We'll look at the app control, and then we'll actually see what the lights look like when they're on, and look at some of the light settings together. We gotta talk, I'll tell you why. You can't be free, girl, you just can't leave. If you walk, I'm gonna fly. I would give my all to you any day if you like. I'm feeling high, cause you're mine. What you need is love and guarantee. What you got changed my life. I just wanna be with you any place if you like. Okay, so I just added the lights onto the Lumary app. You can see the plus on the top right here. I click plus and I added it. So the light is right here on the top. I just clicked on it. And here is the main menu of lights. You can see on the bottom, we have our temperature, which I'm moving around. This is where you can go from the warm color to the white color. Just above that is where you can change the brightness. And then to the left of white, we click color. These are for the static colors, so you can change the different colors on the light bulbs and the brightness. So that is really cool. You can click on here. This is where you can change the number of lights that is in it. Even though there are 7 strands, there are technically 2 bulbs in each one facing up and one facing down. So coming back to the hub, You see on the bottom, you got the power button, the light bulb. Now I'm going to click the color. These are the scenes right here. So a bunch of different scenes. You will hear me say a little later, I haven't been the biggest fan of Lumary's scenes. Coming from Govee, which Govee has super smooth gradient scenes that are slow, and you can make them go fast. Most of the scenes here are just too dang fast. And even like, for instance, see a cloud right here. I'm gonna click the 3 buttons, and I can move the speed all the way down, and it's still freaking fast. For instance, I go to the work one, and it's blinking. Who would want to work with super fast blinking lights? These lights, in my opinion, are only good for parties or being outside where you can't see them as far as the scenes go. They're just too much on the eyes, I'll admit. And I'm sorry, Lumary, but you really need to work on your lights. But I think I'll talk about that more later. But yeah, you can see the different scenes here. You got scenery, you got life, you got festival, you got mood. So they do provide lots of different scenes, which is really cool. You got the music mode lights here. You got passion, happy, soft, brisk. And over here on the right is where you can set timers and stuff like that. But yeah, super simple, easy app. There's not a lot of extra gimmick, which can be a good thing. But yeah, real good app. Well guys, it's a super installation. I like how you can turn the lights to face either up and down or left or right, and that's really cool. Looking at the scenes, there are a lot of scenes, a lot of color changing modes. The white light and the warm light are perfect, and you can change the brightness. I have to say again though, and I hope you're watching Lumary, your scenes, they move too fast. I mean, even your work mode is pa 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 pa. Who would want to work under that? And your Christmas has yellow and purple in it? I don't know. I feel like the scenes really need to be worked on. They're way too fast. And yes, you can even go in the scenes and change the speed, but even whenever you move it all the way down, it's fast, 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 fast. Like, it would be really good if in y'all software, hardware, whatever it may be, you need some slower gradient modes, because I can tell you right now, 99% of the time when I enjoy my Govee lights, it's smooth gradient stuff. When I'm gaming, I don't need pa 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 all around me. When I'm relaxing, I don't need pa 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 pa. I need slow gradient stuff. So Lumary, whenever it comes to white lights and warm lights, perfect. Static colors, perfect. But your scenes, I'm never really that impressed with your scenes. They're too much, they're too quick, they're too crazy. Get some slow scenes, please. Please. And I really do like Lumary, but I think that that's just weak point. Work on that. I mean, outside of that, it's really cool. I love the sconces, or I keep wanting to say scones, but the sconces, it's great. The app control, super easy. I love it, reliable for the most part. There are a couple times where I'll come in the room and it disconnects and I have to reconnect it again. I don't have that issue as many times with Govee. Just a couple things to work on. However, it's still a great light, but there are coupons that you'll see on there. So normally it is a bit cheaper than the prices you see. So like I said, the 9-foot one is about 100 and the 18-foot one is about 150. So it's not too much more expensive to get it double the size. So that's really cool. But yeah, this has been the Lumary Wall Sconces. I'm CopperCarver. Please check out my channel. Please like, share, subscribe, anything you can to help me out. And I got a couple more lights that I'm going to do unboxings of soon. So thank you.